What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the current version of connecting your website to Stripe for payment processing. It's called Stripe Connect. But just to show you, in case you're new to it, I'm on a LifterLMS site here that has a course. When I click enroll in the course through the access plan, I'm taken to the checkout screen. And here I can sell my course and take credit card payments. This is powered by Stripe. Stripe has changed the way they want you to connect to your Stripe account. So what we're going to do is show you how to upgrade from the old method of using legacy API keys, which they now call legacy restricted API keys, to the modern way of connecting to Stripe. So here I am on my LifterLMS powered website. I've got lots of courses. I'm selling courses. And the first thing you want to do to upgrade your Stripe connection is to actually go to stripe.com and just log in. If you're already using Stripe, you'll have a login there and you can just log in so that you're ready to go for the Stripe connection part. So what we do is we go into the back of our website here, head to the WordPress dashboard, and then click on LifterLMS settings. From here, click on checkout and scroll to the bottom to the payment gateways area and select Stripe. So the old way of doing things with Stripe was to enter what are called API keys down here. So you could copy and paste these API keys out of your Stripe account, and that's what connects your LifterLMS powered website to your particular Stripe account. Stripe is discouraging using that method. They're going to start charging additional fees if you use these legacy restricted API key methods. What they want you to do is just to connect by clicking the Connect with Stripe button here. So I'm going to click Connect with Stripe. And since I'm already logged in on stripe.com, I'm just selecting my main Stripe account, clicking Connect. And that's it. I'm back to my website and the settings. You can see that live mode is connected. I'm in the Stripe payment gateway area. The legacy API keys are not turned on since I'm using the direct connect to Stripe. And that is what you need to do to avoid fees that Stripe is going to be charging starting in June 2025, according to their website, if you're using the old restricted legacy API keys method. So go into your LifterLMS website, to the settings, to the checkout settings for Stripe, and click the big purple Connect to Stripe button, log into your Stripe account, and you're good to go. And you're now connected through the modern method so that you won't have less features and future fees that Stripe says is coming in June of 2025. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, just let us know, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.